Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make glycerol stock of bacterial culture. First, gather your essential materials: a fresh bacterial culture, sterile glycerol, and appropriate cryovials. It's crucial that your bacterial culture is actively growing, ideally in its exponential phase, for optimal viability. Always work in a sterile environment to prevent any contamination of your valuable stock. This careful preparation sets the stage for successful long-term storage. Next, we'll combine your bacterial culture with sterile glycerol. Using a sterile pipette, carefully transfer a portion of your bacterial culture into a sterile tube. Then, add sterile glycerol to this culture, aiming for a final concentration between 15% and 25%. This concentration helps protect the cells during freezing. Gently invert or swirl the tube to thoroughly mix the solution, ensuring the glycerol is evenly distributed throughout the culture. Now it's time to aliquot your glycerol stock into individual cryovials. Dispense approximately 0.5 to 0 milliliter of the mixed solution into each sterile cryovial. This allows for single-use aliquots, minimizing freeze-thaw cycles. Crucially, label each vial clearly with the bacterial strain name, the date of preparation, and your initials. Use labels that can withstand extremely cold temperatures and common laboratory solvents for long-term readability. Finally, we move to freezing and storage. Place your labeled cryovials directly into a -80 degrees Celsius freezer for rapid freezing. For long-term preservation, these stocks are best stored in a -80 degrees Celsius freezer or in liquid nitrogen. Organize your vials in a freezer box for easy retrieval. Remember, avoid repeated thawing and refreezing of your glycerol stocks, as this significantly reduces cell viability and the quality of your culture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.